Unong elam kaseng BJP uba AL hek hak singibalang jang tayo ule pentip bagi dan laingut kinong elam kaseng BJP ke belapau kerteng bha na kebenta ka jingkwa banekon yaki election MP Lok Sabha na ka Shillong parliamentary seat ke Banlong hak senam banwan. Habaya keran bagi kinong pathai kubor uba AL hek ule kubor ba ka kerteng jang rangkat bagi arngut kibai pat kilapau bha banekon ki election MP Lok Sabha. Henry unu bayo ek tiket on hak pantrishtam man pentikna ba uncap ek election Shaka Lok Sabha. Ha kabede bagjing jit ikinong ket kam ke bethamai jong ka BJP Meghalaya hadin bo rekman momen ule shimti kemu presiden bethamai. Nagaliang ba AL hek ulang bo presiden ka BJP Meghalaya rekman momen ule litra asdali ya ketup kerteng jong kinong elam ka BJP banyo ek jing menjur na kinong elam ki ba hakmat do jong ka BJP sengkeme.
New elected president is on the way to Delhi with the list for setting the list for the approval. Then after the approval of the national leader, they're going to publish in the name of the new state executive member of BJP. See, the thing is like this. I don't know the other name, including my name. There are 3 candidates. I don't know who are the 2 names. So we'll see among the 3 names who will be the best choice for contesting for Lok Sabha seat from Shillong parliamentary constituency. Among the 3, whomever chosen, we have to work hard to ensure winning of this coming Lok Sabha election. Since the day I joined BJP in 1996, that was also people are saying the BJP is the anti-Christian type. I'm telling you, in all the parties, in all the community, the problem is always there with everybody. We cannot blame only one political party. Our door is not open only for ITC, it is open for all political parties.
When is Dr. Mukul joining?
If you want to join, he can join anytime. For me too, I welcome him anytime.
Ha kabayday bat ka jingkano ka Joint Action Committee jang kabar jantia persya ekadhar company ka basnator ti yak surok National Highway ha ka jinglot ka bakot saupulai klortam. Henry kini kesurok tang hadian arbanai kala jot rathaino nakaliang unang ilam kaseng BJP uba AL hek ubelong ru menteri sarkar ulong beladap lap ikisabot pala aban pensisya bagi dan kijing bamsap ka sarkar preng ba ka sarkar jala kan hak bandai ada kebeteng persya ekadhar company ha kabayday bagi jing senator ti yak kesurok rong ka belada seniuno. Hablakali lakan poirus de uput ban blacklist ya kena ke company. Uba AL hek ulang baladala ban pensisya bagi dan ketiha ke kambam sab kumta kan yakan sawanhi. Bad omla ban pediang ya kum kena kerukom trekam jengka company bad ke sorkar kan sasyemela karai.
It is the RTI found proof with all the corruption practices is happening. Definitely, the government, not only the central government, the state government also should take action against that.
Against the company?
If they've been proved they have any corruption practices. I have not seen the RTI reports. Show me, then only I'll believe you.
But I don't you think that the government should really, take action against such company because, if a road is being constructed and on completion after 2 months it is being damaged and in a dilapidated condition, don't you think that such company should be answerable?
We cannot accept that kind of company. That's all only I know. The government will take their own way of decisions.
Uba AL hek ubalang ru menteri uba kemi akatanat fisheries uleto bak sarkar jala kan satay gilai teli ki aqua park aga jala bat menta akatanat fisheries kadang penkre ya detailed project report uloong ba ya fish deal ke badan hakanong ba Shillong an sapen kalano kum ka aqua park bat an satay ru ikawai ka aqua park aboy rembang bat sening uleto pule ekran ru secretary bethamai jang katanat animal husbandry and veterinary nagbenta bante ya ka veterinary hospital Hasan Mer of Shillong bat kalong badan kam ban penstat no kanega kam kanang banyo ajing sumar kimrat ki bapang masitom.
Fish deal here in Shillong to make a integrated with tourism for aqua park. Then 2 is in Bhoilambong, 3 is in Umsing area. Then for animal husbandry, that is from fishery. This is for the animal and husbandry and veterinary. One is the veterinary hospital at 3 mile upon Shillong. We want to speed it up, that one, because we don't have one good hospital for the animals. Full-fledged DPR already made. Since the estimated cost has become very high, so the government means from the planning department have told us to at least reduce the amount, so we have to make it to the phase 1 first. Now for the phase 1 DPR we have not separated from the original DPR.